Weather plays an important role in managing smoke from a prescribed fire. This is the Fire Weather Dashboard, and it's a great tool for checking weather before you begin ignitions. Once you've opened the site, you can scroll in on the map and click where your burn is located. Below the map, forecast weather will show up in a table as well as some graphs to help you read the forecast. Up top, there is a weekly summary, and below that you can scroll through a few days' worth of detailed hourly forecasts. This will help you determine the best time for ignition. You'll see there's lots of weather conditions. For example, relative humidity and precipitation can affect your fuel moisture and fire safety. Below those in the table, you'll find wind speeds. Too fast is bad for fire safety, but too slow is bad for dispersing smoke. And right below that is wind direction. Are you blowing smoke at your neighbor, a school, a hospital? Below these, you can also find hourly graphs that show the same information. For example, here's mixing height. This is the height that your smoke could rise to before it hits a sort of ceiling. So if the 0 on this graph here is like the ground, this is showing you how high above the ground smoke could rise to. This is a really great way to visualize it rather than looking just at numbers. And below that you can see the ventilation rate and how it's colored to show you whether it's a good, a poor, a marginal, an excellent day. Now, the ventilation is a combination of your mixing height and wind speeds. It's generally a good indicator, but it can be misleading. You could have a very low mixing height, but very strong winds, and it will make the ventilation index look excellent, even though that particular combo could bend the plume towards the ground and cause impacts. Thank you for watching.